okay? So if you can't hear me or I sound too muffled, just let me know and I'll repeat myself. So firstly, welcome to our first Echelon Ignite Silicon Valley event. If you guys want to tweet about it, you can use the hashtag EISV. And if you want to follow us, those are some of the channels that you can follow. Here's a quick updated agenda. So we're very unfortunate that Dave couldn't make it at the very last minute, so I'm really sorry about that. But the rest of it still pretty much sticks to the same. We're slightly off schedule, so I'll try and rush things forward. So before we move on, just a very quick overview of what E27 is and what is it that we do. Great. So I'm the co-founder and CEO of E27. We're a venture-backed media startup that is based out of Singapore, but we have operations all across Southeast Asia. So our focus is on bringing together the technology and startup ecosystem across Southeast Asia. That's kind of our main area of interest, and we've been doing events and running media type sites around the entire region. So on the media side, E27.co is pretty much the largest, or one of the largest sites that covers news, investments, trends, updates on what's happening in Southeast Asia. So for you guys, right, if you guys are investors or startups that are looking for what is happening within that region, pretty much our site is one of the few that you should be updating or reading yourself on a regular basis. We also have a sister company that we invested in called Daily Social. They're an Indonesian site, so if you use Google Translate, you should be able to get pretty updated information. But they focus on like one of the largest, and fastest growing markets in the world, which is Indonesia. So if you have anything that's specific towards Indonesia, Daily Social will be one thing to check out. On the event side, we run this thing called Echelon, and Echelon is the largest tech startup conference in Southeast Asia. So I think last year we had close to 1,500 people attending the event from about 30 countries. So for those of you who are familiar with Disrupt and all the Venture Week conferences, it's very similar. So you have the 2-day conference, the exhibition, as well as the pitching sessions. We're very fortunate to have 500 startups and a lot of Silicon Valley speakers and investors attend the event every year. So the event is happening on June 10 and 11. And the smaller events that we run, which are called the Ignite series, so this is one of it. We've had that in markets like Thailand, Australia, and now the US. So these are meant for us to have a smaller session with a more intimate crowd and hopefully get them to understand more about Southeast Asia. We do have our version of Crunchbase and a job site that's more dedicated towards Southeast Asia. And a lot of companies use that as a research and knowledge base. And we're also very close to the likes of the Singapore government, as well as tech companies that are based out of Asia. So for those of you who are interested to understand more about the demographics about the events that we run, a large sector of them are from the mobile space and e-commerce, because those are the two largest sectors in Southeast Asia right now. And the events mainly target tech companies, $3-5 million in revenue, so startups as well as SMEs, and in most cases, the top tier angel investors, VCs, corporate venture funds, PE firms out of Asia Pacific. So if you have a company that's focused on Asia, if you have a fund that's focused on Asia Pacific or Southeast Asia, feel free to come and talk to me, or feel free to look at the Echelon conference that's happening in June 10 and 11, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions about that. So that's pretty much my opening and introduction. We have quite a packed day today, so I want to jump straight into the discussion, right? So first up, I would like to welcome Patrick Lee from Hobo Labs. So we're going to have a quick fireside session with Patrick, and then we're going to jump into some keynote sessions. So please put your hands together and welcome Patrick, please.